We've come here today to Hugh and Caris Davis's farm here in Trevice in Ceredigion. Hugh is now chairman of Ceredigion NFU branch. But just to go to show, Hugh has invited all the businesses that he deals with on a regular basis to come here today to show the variety of different businesses that serve a farm, really. And this is an example. And we have literally filled the farmyard here today with a variety of people, some of them supplying feed and fertilizer, others supplying machinery, contractors, sharing contractors, and of course the small businesses like accountants and electricians. They're all vital part of dealing with Hugh on a daily and a monthly basis. And it's the message that when we're paid basic payments from government, that when that money comes into a farmer's account, what happens is that it is paid out to these people. You know, that's the driver of a rural economy, really, and that's what keeps the rural economy thriving. And that's the message we want to get out, both to politicians, to retailers, and to the wider public. Really, that's why it's important to support farming, not just for the farmers themselves, but for the whole rural economy.
It is really serious in the rural economy throughout Wales, and if farming is making money or having a decent price for their products, with a single farm topping it up, it's all spent really in the local community. You know, all the people here today, about 60 businesses here today, they're all basically within 6 to 10 miles from here.